finished review here with a unboxing of the pre-order that I pre-ordered like years ago. Well, no, I pre-ordered this back in May, and it's just now getting here because of the supply chain issues in the U.S. and all the stuff with that. Anyway, let's get to unboxing this, shall we? I have waited a really long time for this. Took many moons. Took many moons. That's right, that's how people unboxed it. I was trying to remember how people unbox this thing, because I've seen videos of this. Yep. Just trying to see if there's anything else in this box. Nope, nothing else in this box. Wow. This is wow. All the here, let me put the camera down just a little bit more. Actually, I can't because it's as low as it'll go. So yeah, all these markings and stuff on this package, they have a textile. You can feel them. It's pretty interesting. This is the auto transforming, but they call it auto convert for some weird reason. This is the auto convert Optimus Prime that I've been waiting for. It's voice controlled, interactive play, manual control via mobile app. You can complete missions, and there's also an extensive action library. So yeah, for the voice controlled interactive play, it says command Optimus Prime with 40 voice commands to activate unique movements, sounds, and responses. That's cool. Yeah, there's just a lot right there, as you can probably see. And then on the side here says Collector's Edition. Oh wow. It even says Transformers Limited Edition I have number 20,770. Someone out there got the first one. Wasn't me. Let's open it up further. Okay, I've just broken the seal. By the way, not sure if you can see that, but there is an Autobot logo on the seal itself. Also an Autobot logo right there. And on the very bottom, yeah, it's just your typical packaging warnings and whatnot. Oh wow. It's like a styrofoam type box. Wow. Wow, I like the feel of that. Authentic Transformers, and it has the Autobot logo. Has Robosen on the bottom. Hopefully I'm saying that company right. Robosen, whatever. And it has latches on the side, so it's like a really fancy styrofoam box. This is the moment that I've been waiting for a very long time. Like, this moment right here is what I've been waiting for a very, very long time. 3, 2, 1. So this is an accessory box that just has the axe and his rifle. So yeah, there's that accessory box. Got the charger. Got a accessory, little teeny accessory box right here. I believe these are oh, okay. I was worried because I didn't feel anything in there at first, but I was like, I hope it's not empty. But it's just the Autobot stickers. That scared me for a second. I thought it was empty. I was being like, So yeah, that's the stickers. Oh, these are the the mufflers, or the yeah, they're mufflers. Yeah, these are his mufflers. They just go on the back of here. And yeah, I'll be doing a let's play with Optimus Prime video later. later this weekend. I'll be doing that early Friday morning because I then have to pack and get ready for my trip and stuff. So, but yeah, I've been waiting for a very, very long time. Oh, this is just a USB cable. That way you can connect Optimus to your computer. So that way you can add more add-ons, add more voice commands and stuff. And you can program this Optimus Prime. Yes, you can program this Optimus Prime to do different things to your liking. And this is just the quick start guide. Let me just pick up this guy for a sec. He's limp because the servo motors aren't powered on. Once the servo motors power on, then it'll be solid again. Yeah, I've waited a really long time for this, and I was worried that I wasn't gonna receive it, and I kept on contacting the company and said, "Hey, are you gonna send it to me yet? Are you gonna send it to me yet?" And they finally sent it to me. Come on, Optimus, work with me here. In the Let's Play video, you'll probably see all this stuff off, but that'll be okay. And yes, I will be keeping this box just to keep him all organized in there. But yeah, this was the unboxing for the Robosen auto-convert Optimus Prime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And thank you everyone for watching. Remember to, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, it really helps me out. Visit my social media links, which have been playing throughout this video. And yeah, thank you everyone for your support. And remember, to all our Optination, have a great night and great week, everyone.